What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest and recommend, you go ahead and click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out. Alright, so today we're going to go over a great new product that I got in today. Today's the release day of this product. Well, you're watching the day after, but today, the day before you're watching this video, it was a release day of this product. And I'm very happy to say I got it. As most of you know, I've been an Android phone user for many years now. And I've had the last Android I had right here was the S22 Ultra. I was an iPhone user before. Then I switched. I decided to make a switch over to Android because of the open source, and that also a lot of stuff I was doing on YouTube require only Android devices to work on. So I switched over to Android, thinking it would make my life easier. Now that all that stuff that I used to do with the Android devices and stuff, not really coming with my phone anymore. So I decided to switch back to iPhone. So I got rid of my S22 Ultra, which I have here, and I switched over to the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is what I got. I got the 512 gigabytes, just like I did with my Ultra S22. And we're gonna unbox it. On top of getting this one, I also got an iPhone 16 Pro regular. But this is a 256 gigabyte storage. This one's gonna be my wife. I'm gonna show you the difference between the sizes, because that's the only big difference in it. But the features on both phones are exactly the same except for the size of the screen. So if you're kind of hesitating which size you want to get, you want to go with the Pro or Pro Max, I'm gonna make it a little bit easier for you in this video. All right, so we're gonna so I'm gonna open this one, just open it up, and that's it. And then I'm gonna unbox this one on the screen for you. All right, so the box right here, you get the iPhone right here. As you see, the box difference between the 16 Pro and Pro Max are different already. It's a lot bigger, as you can see. So we're gonna open the Pro. I'm gonna see how we open this because I have no idea. Okay, there's some tabs here. On the back, you see a tab. Pull it out. It's gonna be one on top and one on the bottom. Because if you don't pull that out, you're not gonna be able to get the box open. And all right, I'm not gonna show the box. Basically is like this. All your information in the back, and then the phone on the picture, it says iPhone on each side. All right, so I'm gonna open it up here. And for some reason, when you open it up, it opens up on the back side. Don't know why, but that's how they did it. All right, with that said, you get the phone right here, and right here, you get this charging cable. Charging cable, they actually did a nice upgrade on it, which I was really impressed with. They actually did a braided cable instead of like those plastic cable wraps. I don't know if you can, you're not gonna be able to see it here on the screen. Yeah, probably you can see it right there. There's a little, it's braided. So it's a braided cable now, which I think is pretty cool. It still doesn't come with the power bank, so you have to get the power plug to use it. I know all phones are starting to do that now. So I'm gonna take this out because this is gonna be a nice little cable to have around. All right, I already have the brick because of the Samsung. So when I sell the phone, I'm not gonna sell it with the brick itself. So it's a pretty lengthy cable, not bad, normal. So this is a phone right here. And on the cover, it tells you exactly how to use it, how to put it on silent, volume up, down, power button here, and here's your action button right here. This is the action camera, so you can scroll through the camera features, the filters, and you can take pictures, record it, everything all right here. So the button that we had here in the front of so for so many years, they put it back on because they removed it and they put it back on and put it on the side. So I'm gonna take off the front plastic. Ooh, that looks good. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on real quick. All right. So the difference between the Pro and non-Pro versions, because the Pro Max, the max size doesn't come in the regular Pro. I mean, regular 16. The regular 16, the big difference that I've noticed, I didn't look into it too further, is the quality of the picture of the camera. This has the 3 lenses. The regular 16 only has 2 lenses. The Pros have the 3 lenses, so is the regular Pro. So this is the Pro Max. Only difference between the Pro and the Pro Max and the Pro is the size of it. So I'm gonna open up my wife's real quick and show you the difference in size. So I'm gonna do the same thing. And again, they put the phone on its back side, on its front side. All right, so I'm gonna take this out. Same thing, they give you the same features on the, I'm not even gonna take off the plastic. What I'm gonna do right here is show you the size difference. See the size difference, guys? Big difference. I like bigger phones. My wife doesn't like such a big phone. She thinks it's too big. For free, as you can see, this is a 6.9 inch screen display, and the regular Pro is a 6.3. Yeah, it's only a little bit over half an inch bigger, but you can see the big difference. Now, the S22 Ultra, it is also a 6.9. So as you see, the same size, and I'm so used to it, so I'm good with that. So this is how it turned on. Now, this is where you go ahead and set it up. It's gonna tell you all these features to set it up and everything. I'm not gonna go through that because I don't want to bore you with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the accessories I got for this, because I got a case for it. I haven't put it on yet, and I also got a matte screen protector, because I hate the shiny screen protectors, because every time it hits light, you can see it shines off, even on the regular, if you have the screen protector, and I hate that. And of course, I want to put a case on it because I want to protect the phone. So give me a second while I go get the two items that I got for this phone, and then we'll continue. All right, so I'm back. So this is the matte finish screen protector I got right here. I got this from Matcha. This wasn't too expensive. This was like $5 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. This is only for a 1-pack because I never really switch them out. And this is the cases I got. This is a tough case. And it has a stand on the back if you ever want to keep it up so you can watch on the table and anything. So this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna this is the only thing I'm gonna open up right now to show you, because you can see what the case looks like. Okay, let me get this open here. All right, so this is the case when it comes out. Very simple. Pull this off. So this protects the phone completely. As you can see, all nice in here. This has the bottom part to come out when you want to charge the phone. Very cool, right there. So all you gotta do is basically put the phone in here. You take it off. First you wanna do is take it off this rubber casing. Take the rubber casing off. It makes it easier. All right, and then you wanna put the rubber piece on the phone itself first, as I'm doing right now, as you can see. And then you put this casing back on here, and this already has a built-in MagSafe charging port on here, so you could charge through the case itself, which is a big plus. That's one of the reasons I got it, because first it protects the phone completely, and it protects still lets me do the wireless charging. So let me get this in here like this. All right, and simple, very simple. Look how cool that looks there, guys. My brand new phone there. So really that's it. I haven't messed with an iPhone in a very long time. My wife has an iPhone, but I don't even touch her iPhone like that. So I'm gonna go over all these features myself on my own time, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up video, but not really, probably won't, because most of you guys are already gonna see do the follow-up on your own when you guys get the iPhone. But yeah, I switched over from Android to iPhone. And the transition is going to be simple, because they do have a new feature app on your phones for both Android and iOS called, let me bring it up because I already have it on here. You can see right there it says iOS. It says move to iOS. That's the app you're going to want to download if you are switching from operating system to another. And if you're doing from iPhone to Android, you're going to move to Android or something like that. So that's the app that you download and you transfer all your information, so you don't, it makes it very simple to do. That's my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And then we always want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.